One.
Hey guys, this is Mr. Matt over at the Alabama Nature Center. Welcome back for another virtual Early Explorers program. This month is February and we're going to focus on weather. And so today, one of the aspects of weather that we're going to talk about is snow. Everybody loves snow. We don't get that much here in Alabama, but I'm going to show you a really cool activity to where you can make snow at your house. And so before we get into the activity, we're going to talk a little bit about what snow is. So snow is a type of precipitation which is like rain, which is water that falls out of the sky. And snow is a type of precipitation that comes in the form of ice crystals. So instead of water droplets like rain, they're little ice crystals. And so it happens whenever the air temperature in the cloud is below 32 degrees, which is how warm or cold the air is. And the snow, it'll fall in different forms, such as snowflakes, snow pellets, or sleet. They're all different types of snow. So snowflakes are a group of little bitty ice crystals that form on top of each other in the clouds, and then they fall from the clouds down to the ground. And they can also come in many different shapes and sizes. So let's go ahead and hop into the activity. I'm going to show you how to make some snow at home, but you will need a few ingredients. And you should have these at home. If you don't have as much as I do, that's okay. You can just half the ingredients down or use a little bit less. So the big one that you're going to need is baking soda. And then you'll just need any of your mom's conditioner, so not shampoo, but conditioner. It doesn't matter what type. And then you'll need a couple other things. I like to use a big Tupperware tub. Doesn't have to be this big, you can use a bowl. I made some in a little paper bowl yesterday. You will also need one measuring cup that's a cup large. Mom, that's for you. And then another measuring cup that is a half a cup. And so for the ingredients, the recipe calls for 3 cups of baking soda and then a half a cup of conditioner. Now I did make this yesterday and I used about 1 cup of baking soda and 1/4 of a cup of conditioner, and it worked just fine. And then either a spoon or a popsicle stick, or if you don't have one of those, a fork or a knife will work, just to mix everything together. So what we'll do, I've already got 3 cups or so of baking soda in here. Mine's kind of clumpy, that's okay. We're going to go ahead and add our conditioner, and you just pour it into the half a cup. So you're doing a half a cup of conditioner. This has already been used some. So you do a half a cup of conditioner, and then you mix it in with the 3 cups of your baking soda. You're just going to mix it all together really good. I just happen to use a popsicle stick because you can throw it away, and I had those on hand because we use them for summer camp quite frequently. So I'm actually going to put just a little bit more in there just in case. I don't think that hurts. And then we're going to take that, we're going to mix it together really good. It's kind of like baking a cake. Another tip to really get the snow kind of texture and the whole feeling of snow, I would put this in the freezer for 10 or 15 minutes. Let it get nice and cold, and then you really get the snow kind of effect. So it starts to get clumpy, looks kind of like feta cheese. Feta cheese is yummy. But you just mix it all together real good. And it's already going to be a little cold to the touch. And that conditioner just kind of mixes in with it. And just mix it as much as you want. And then you can, if you want, you can go get some little trucks or something to play in there. Move your snow around. You can make snowballs out of it. You can build snowmen. So you just go in there and get you a good clump. You can make you a snowball at home when it's 80 degrees outside. We'll mix that together. So this is how you can make snow at home. I hope you will join us next week. We're going to do another experiment, but this time we're going to talk about frost. So I hope you'll join us next week. Bye.